which one is this?
Hiccup.
This is Hiccup.
Hiccup.
Okay.
Teddy, you're being a good boy. Except I'm pretty sure you just peed in your litter. You're supposed to be. I will say he's automatic. Anytime we go outside, he pees immediately. So like he
That's
knows
good.
that he's supposed to pee outside. But
Which is good. Yeah. See, you're just making it hard to see this video. Her little poof of hair in the way. Good girl. That's a good girl. Thank you.
same for him. He had the exact same pattern.
Okay. So he was the same as Toothless, if you want to know what Toothless is.